Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted a question on Facebook. I didn't really know this worked, but I got it to work, I think. These are RGB colors, every one of them if you look down here. And they want to change them to CMYK. I think actually in the question it was the opposite direction, but this will work. So we're going to write, and they were trying to write a macro for it. So we're going to go to Tools and Scripts and start recording. And I'm going to put it in global macros, and I'm just going to call it 1. Oh, it's got to be something else. So I'm going to call it CMYK. And I'm going to say OK. Now I've got it selected. So I'm going to go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects. There's a drop-down menu and you want Find Objects, Color Mode, Model or Palette, Find, Specify Color Mode, Model, RGB, Replace with CMYK, Uniform Fill, and From Selection, which I have it selected. Now you want to go down here and replace all. So it replaced all the colors now with, I'm going to turn off the script. It replaced the colors with our CMYK colors. Now let's see if we can get the macro to work. So let's go back to those colors. Let's go ahead and select it. Let's go to Tools, Scripts, and go to having a little bit of trouble. Where's my, there's recorded global macros, recorded macros, CMYK. And it changed it, it worked. I don't know why I was having trouble finding that. Anyway, so now my colors are that. Now let's back it up and let's make a macro for that. You know, we actually have to back them all up. So let's select it. Let's right click that and assign it a keystroke. And it's right there. Let's call it, I don't know what you'd call it. Alternate, can't go alternate C because that's my center. Let's go alternate R for like replace color maybe. And you can make something up, assign it, and then say okay. Now we're going to select it, and we're going to go alternate R, and it changed them. So if I think the person was wanting CMYK to RGB, but you just do the opposite of what I did. That's pretty cool. Now I don't know if it'll work in every situation when you bring in a graphic and you know, if you have to ungroup, you'd have to ungroup all the colors of like a Donald Duck or something. But give that a try and see if that doesn't work. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.